Hey there, welcome to my official lineup horizontal template. I'm going to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download, and there are a ton of different options to customize this. Here's my official lineup 3 template. In the layers, there's a variety of different sports elements within all of the template. For example, in this one, you can see basketballs here. We have a wood floor and a basketball texture in the background that can change colors. In official lineup 1 template, there's going to be football, volleyball, cheer, cross country, tennis, and track are included. Official lineup 2 includes baseball, softball, soccer, lacrosse, and swimming. And official lineup 3 includes basketball, wrestling, dance, hockey, and golf elements. You just turn the elements on and off as you want them. You can include an awesome team roster across the bottom here, or you can shut it off and do something that shows the subject's feet. This official stamp doesn't even have to be there. For example, you could use a team mascot name inside there instead of official, so it could say Mustang lineup, or any motto or other text you wanted to type into there. This makes an awesome way to announce your team, and you can print up to 10-foot banners with this. I'm sure you're going to love it.